Hey everyone, welcome back. You're watching Tarot Mystic 1111 and let's see what are the messages that wants to channelize for you. What wants to come through. Ooh, okay. I'd like to have one more card and then I'll let you know what this person is thinking of you. Okay. Ooh, oh, okay, all right. Okay, this person is actually lost in your thoughts. This is King of Cups energy, which is a beautiful, beautiful, intuitive, romantic energy. This person is actually lost in your thoughts and they're thinking about you. They care for you and they're romantically inclined towards you. This person is also a very deep, intuitive person. So they are kind of, right now they're seeing all the signs from the universe. And they're actually obsessively thinking about you. This person is quiet. They're not someone who's very expressive with their thoughts and feelings, but you are on this person's mind and they clearly now understand how deep